Okay, we're gonna put this strengthened plastic on charging cables so they can last longer, or cables that are broken at the terminals, to reinforce. You just gotta use needle pliers to stretch them. Just gotta be patient, not to overdo it, or you'll break them. I guess that should be enough. Let's see. Oh, it broke it, but we're gonna fix it like that. Probably just a little more. And it's there. Now, you just need a little fire so you can shrink. I have another one over here. And a couple more. And that's it. Thank you for watching.